Can you crawl all the way to here? Come on. Uh-oh. Going the other way.
Crawl that way. Good boy.
Look at that huge bottom.
His nappy's falling off.
Where are you going? Max, come back. He's leaving.
You're a funny waddle, isn't it? Yeah. You can't go that way. Max, please come and say hello to me.
You can do it. Come get him. Oh, how frustrating.
Caught you.
Oh, up on those toes.
What a ballerina.
Oh, Max. You are the best boy. You did it! You did it! You crawled! Good job, little boy.